everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about blackberries, and I have a list of tips and ideas for using blackberries. So if you're looking for some ideas on something different to do with blackberries, hopefully this will help you out. Why not combine blackberries with apples in a pie? If a recipe calls for blackberries and you just don't have any or don't have enough, you could use loganberries, boysenberries, or even raspberries as a substitute or one that you can fill in if you just don't have enough blackberries. 1 pint of fresh blackberries is about 2 cups. 10 ounces of frozen blackberries is also about 2 cups. And for the record, 10 blackberries counts officially as 1 serving. Why not make an easy blackberry banana overnight oats breakfast? Blend 1 cup of blackberries with 1/2 of a banana and 1/2 cup of milk of your choice and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend that together, put it in a mason jar, and then stir in 1/2 cup of oats of your choice. Cover the jar, place it in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, top it with a little bit more blackberries and the other half of that banana, and enjoy. Why not try a blackberry pomegranate salad? Make a salad base with greens of your choice, lettuce, spinach, arugula, and throw in some red cabbage while you're at it. Add in some blackberries, some slivers of fresh pears, and a little bit of red onion. And then dress it with a mixture of 2 cups of pomegranate juice, 1/4 of a cup of honey or of sweetener of your choice, and the juice of 1/2 of a lime. Sprinkle that salad with some toasted sliced almonds and go for it. It sounds really good. For your information, unripe blackberries will not further ripen after they've been picked. So if you're picking your own blackberries, only pick those that are nicely ripe. If you're in the grocery store, chances are the ones that you find will be ripe and ready to eat. But if you're picking, that's an important point to remember. They won't ripen up any more than what they are when you pick them. Why not try an easy blackberry popsicle? In a blender, combine 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1/3 of a cup of honey or maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 4 cups of fresh or frozen blackberries. Blend all that until it's smooth and then pour it into popsicle molds, freeze it, and enjoy. And that combination should make about 4 popsicles. If you can't get fresh blackberries locally, opt for frozen blackberries. They're usually picked at their peak of ripeness. They're frozen very quickly after they're harvested, sometimes as soon as 20 minutes after they're harvested. And you can't get much fresher than that, and they're just as good as the fresh ones. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Now, this is part 1. I've got part 2 coming. I've got more tips and ideas for blackberries. So stay tuned. Bye for now.